The Cooler Master Air 620P is a high-performance air cooler designed to handle the thermal demands of modern processors, especially those running at high temperatures. Its construction includes 6 heat pipes, each measuring 0.6 mm, and a series of aluminum fins that work together to maximize heat dissipation. This model uses Cooler Master's innovative CDC 2.0, Continuous Direct Contact 2.0 technology, which enhances heat transfer efficiency by placing the heat pipes in direct contact with the CPU surface. This setup improves thermal conductivity as it minimizes the gap between the heat pipes and the processor, allowing heat to be transferred away from the CPU more quickly and efficiently. This direct contact approach is ideal for high-performance CPUs, which tend to generate significant amounts of heat, as it keeps temperatures within safe limits and ensures stable performance even during extended workloads or gaming sessions. In addition to its contact technology, the Master Air 620P is engineered for strong airflow and air pressure. With a fan that produces up to 53.4 cfm cubic feet per minute of airflow, this cooler can effectively push a large volume of air through its heatsink, carrying away heat that has been conducted to the fins. This high airflow rate is complemented by an air pressure rating of 1.65 mmH2O, which provides the necessary resistance for maintaining steady airflow, even in cases where space is limited or airflow is naturally restricted. This feature is particularly beneficial for compact builds, where airflow paths can be tighter, as it allows the cooler to sustain efficient cooling under various installation constraints. Overall, the combination of CDC 2.0 technology, high airflow, and strong air pressure make the MAP D6PN218PC or an optimal solution for users needing reliable cooling in systems built for demanding applications. The Cooler Master Air 620P operates at a maximum noise level of 31 dBA, making it a relatively quiet choice for an air cooler, even when handling higher loads. This noise level is comparable to a whisper or the ambient sound of a quiet library, allowing it to blend into most environments without becoming intrusive. While it may become slightly audible at peak fan speeds of up to 1800 RPM, this sound output is still moderate and unobtrusive in most settings, making it suitable for users sensitive to noise or those who prioritize a quieter system. The 4-pin PWM, pulse width modulation, fan control also contributes to maintaining low noise levels by dynamically adjusting fan speeds based on CPU temperature. This allows the cooler to operate quietly during light tasks and only increase fan speed when more intensive cooling is required, thus avoiding unnecessary noise. For users building a quiet, productive workstation or a home entertainment setup, the MAP D6PN218PC R1 strikes an effective balance between powerful cooling and noise control. Cooler Master has engineered the fan to limit noise without compromising airflow, achieving a mix that satisfies both performance demands and the desire for a low-noise environment. Even in more acoustically sensitive environments, such as recording spaces or bedrooms, the cooler's maximum noise level is unlikely to disrupt typical activities. As a result, it appeals to gamers, content creators, and general users alike who seek a cooling solution that remains audibly discreet while ensuring the CPU stays at optimal temperatures. The Cooler Master Air 620P is engineered with durability and longevity in mind, boasting a fan mean time to failure (MTTF) rating of 160,000 hours. This impressive MTTF indicates that the fan is designed to operate continuously for many years under normal usage conditions, significantly reducing the need for frequent maintenance or replacement. Such longevity is especially advantageous for users building systems that need to stay operational for extended periods, such as workstations or gaming PCs, as it ensures consistent cooling performance over the long term. This high durability is a testament to Cooler Master's commitment to quality and reliability, as the design is built to withstand the rigors of high-performance cooling without degrading quickly. In addition to its robust construction, the Master Air 620P features a 4-pin PWM, pulse width modulation, connector, which allows for precise control over fan speeds based on the CPU's thermal demands. This intelligent speed adjustment not only enhances cooling efficiency but also helps extend the life of the fan by reducing unnecessary wear and tear when full speed isn't required. By dynamically adjusting fan speeds, the cooler can maintain optimal performance while also conserving energy, with an average power consumption of around 3.6 watts. This low power draw is advantageous in systems where power efficiency is a priority, as it keeps the system's overall power consumption low, translating into potential savings over time. The Cooler Master Air 620P stands out not only for its cooling performance but also for its customizable RGB lighting, which adds a vibrant and personalized touch to any build. The RGB lighting allows users to select from a wide range of colors and effects, making it easy to match the cooler's appearance with the theme or color scheme of the overall setup. This flexibility is particularly appealing for gamers and enthusiasts who value aesthetics as much as functionality, as it provides an opportunity to create a visually cohesive and striking system. Whether the user prefers a subtle glow or a more dynamic, colorful display, the RGB lighting on this cooler enhances the system's visual appeal, contributing to a fully immersive gaming or working environment. The lighting is engineered in such a way that it does not interfere with airflow or heat dissipation, ensuring that the cooler maintains its primary function of keeping the CPU at stable temperatures. This balance between form and function is a testament to Cooler Master's design philosophy, which considers both aesthetic appeal and technical performance. The RGB lighting can also be synchronized with other RGB components in the system, allowing users to create a unified lighting setup across fans, motherboards, graphics cards, and more, for a polished, professional look. In addition to its customization options, the RGB lighting provides a modern and premium feel, enhancing the cooler's overall build quality and appeal. By incorporating RGB features without compromising the cooler's thermal efficiency, Cooler Master has successfully created a product that meets the aesthetic demands of today's PC builders while maintaining the high-performance standards expected from a top-tier cooling solution. This blend of style and substance makes the MAP D6PN218 PC R1 an excellent choice for anyone looking to add personality and visual impact to their PC, making it not just a cooling device, but also a centerpiece in a custom build. The Cooler Master Air 620P is designed with broad compatibility in mind, supporting a wide array of CPU sockets, including Intel's LGA 1200 and AMD's AM4, among others. This versatility makes it an ideal choice for users with diverse setups, as it can be installed across many generations of CPUs, offering flexibility for both new builds and system upgrades. Such wide-ranging compatibility is particularly advantageous for users who plan on future CPU upgrades, as the cooler can often be retained even if other system components are changed. This level of adaptability adds significant value to the cooler, making it a worthwhile investment for those who want reliable cooling across different system configurations. However, it's important to consider the cooler's dimensions during installation, as it has a height of 165 mm, which may be a tight fit in more compact cases. For users with mid-tower or full-tower cases, the installation should be straightforward, with ample room to accommodate the cooler's height. But for those with smaller or more compact cases, such as micro ATX or mini ITX builds, measuring available clearance is essential before installation. Cooler Master has aimed to make the installation process as user-friendly as possible, but space constraints can still pose challenges in smaller builds. Additionally, users should ensure sufficient space around other components, such as RAM modules, to avoid any clearance issues. Overall, the Air 620P strikes a good balance between compatibility and installation convenience, appealing to both seasoned builders and newcomers. Its universal socket support and user-friendly installation make it a flexible solution that can adapt to various systems while delivering effective cooling. However, attention to case size and clearance is recommended to ensure an optimal fit and easy installation, particularly in more compact or unconventional setups. The Cooler Master Air 620P features a robust design with 6 heat pipes and aluminum fins, utilizing continuous direct contact (CDC 2.0) technology. This design enhances heat dissipation and is suitable for high-performance CPUs. With a height of 165 mm, it has a striking presence in any build but requires careful consideration regarding case compatibility. On the other hand, the AMD Wraith Prism has a more compact profile with dimensions of 9.45 inches by 27.17 inches by 0.98 inches and features an aluminum heat sink with a copper core base. It also utilizes direct contact heat pipes and comes with pre-applied thermal paste, simplifying installation. Its design is optimized for AMD systems, supporting various socket types including AM2, AM3, and AM4. The Air 620P provides impressive cooling performance, boasting an airflow of 53.4 CFM and operating at a maximum noise level of 31 dBA. With a fan speed that can reach up to 1800 RPM, it effectively maintains lower CPU temperatures, even under heavy loads. The Wraith Prism is also a solid performer, with a maximum rotational speed of 1800 RPM and a slightly quieter operation at 30 dB. It's designed to handle standard cooling requirements effectively, particularly for AMD processors, but may not perform as well under extreme conditions compared to the Master. When we dive into the performance metrics, synthetic tests reveal a clear distinction between the two coolers. In CPU stress tests, the Cooler Master Air 620P consistently kept CPU temperatures around 65 degrees Celsius under load, while the AMD Wraith Prism reached temperatures of about 75 degrees Celsius. This difference indicates that the Master Air has superior cooling capabilities, particularly beneficial for users engaged in overclocking or demanding workloads. In gaming benchmarks, the Master Air continued to impress, with average CPU temperatures remaining below 70 degrees Celsius during extended gaming sessions. Conversely, the Wraith Prism's temperatures climbed closer to 80 degrees Celsius, highlighting its limitations under sustained high-performance scenarios. These results make it clear that for gamers and content creators who push their CPUs to the limit, the Cooler Master Cooler is the better choice for maintaining optimal thermal conditions. The Master Air 620P is compatible with a wide range of CPU sockets, including Intel's LGA 1200 and AMD's AM4. Its installation process is user-friendly, but the larger height means users need to ensure that their cases have enough clearance. The Wraith Prism is specifically tailored for AMD systems and supports multiple motherboard sockets, making it a great fit for users within the AMD ecosystem. Its compact design and pre-applied thermal paste make for a straightforward installation process. In terms of aesthetics, the Master Air features customizable RGB lighting that can easily match the color scheme of most setups, adding a stylish touch to any build without sacrificing performance. The Wraith Prism also includes RGB lighting, giving it a sleek look that complements modern builds. It is an official AMD product, so its styling aligns well with AMD-themed systems. With a fan MTTF of 160,000 hours, the Master Air is built for longevity, minimizing maintenance needs over time. Its 4-pin PWM connector allows for efficient power consumption of around 3.6 watts. While the Wraith Prism has a lower power consumption of just 2 watts, it's designed as a reliable stock cooler for AMD CPUs. Its build quality is robust, but it may not offer the same longevity as the Master Air under extreme conditions. Overall, the Cooler Master Air 620P is an efficient and durable air cooler with good cooling performance for mid to high-level CPUs. It's an excellent choice for users who value a blend of strong cooling capabilities, quiet operation, and RGB aesthetics. The 1-year warranty adds an extra layer of confidence, making it a solid option for both gamers and general users alike.